Diane here on Grady's Mom. This is my house tour video. At the time that I'm filming this clip, we are about just under 2 weeks from hitting the road, getting out of here and getting into our new house in New York. Just a little backstory for those who just clicked on this video because simply they liked house tours. My husband and I had this house built in the end of 2014, so we've lived here for lived in this house for just under 3.5 years. Originally we did plan to be here for a while, but we are originally from New York where we're moving back, and after 3.5 years of being here in this house, we have just made the decision that we want to move home to be near family, for both us and our son. And our son is only in kindergarten right now, so we want to go ahead and make this move and get him in a permanent situation, again in a new school, around family. Both of our parents live there, my sister, my brother. So the timing just worked out the way we wanted it to. We sold our home here. We're about to be out of here, get into the new place. So I wanted to go ahead and show you a full house tour. When I had to film the clips for the house tour, it was a very dark, gloomy day, much like today, and it was also very early in the morning. So I apologize in advance because some of the clips came out really dark, and by the time I actually got to sit down and edit them on the computer, it was too late to refilm because my house was already mainly packed up in those rooms. So we are pretty much living out of boxes at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead now first and insert a few still pictures of kind of the process of when our house was being built, what it looked like, and kind of different points of it being built, and then I will jump right in to the actual house tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, guys. Okay guys, so when you walk through the front door, as you can see, we have a very open floor plan, which is what we wanted. We did decline a lot of the upgrades in our home, so it did not look like this when we moved in. I will go ahead and try and insert a clip or picture of what it looked like when we moved in, because it looks a lot different than right now. Alright guys, so I was just standing here at the front door, turning around the other way. The paint we painted the whole house. It was all white. It was one of the upgrades we declined because we saved a lot of money painting it. The crown molding we saved a lot of money doing ourselves, and then my husband did all the chair rail molding in the whole room. He also built some floating shelves in our house. This one I think is the largest one. It's about 5 feet long, and all the floating shelves are staying with the home. It's what the buyers requested, and we worked it out in the contract, so they're staying with the home. We put this light in here, entryway light, which is really cute. My husband built this shelf here to hold all of our TV, or our cable box, our Xbox, surround sound, that kind of thing. And that shelf there is staying with the home as well. The TV is coming with us. We have our little cabinet underneath, which houses all of our DVDs here. And then turning back around, we have a double window here. This piece is fairly new. I grabbed it from World Market. And then we got this sectional with the house. We ordered this sectional to fit specifically with this house. And this sectional will be coming with us, but it won't be in our new living room because it's too big. But we are going to take it with us and put it in our basement. And then the sectional we got from Ashley Furniture. Just some simple pictures on the wall. We did a lot of decluttering before we put the house on the market, although there really wasn't too much to do because we're pretty clutter-free. This table we're getting rid of. We're going to sell it. We got it at Raymore and Flanagan a long time ago, maybe 8 years ago. Area rug is from Wayfair, I believe, or Overstock, one of those. And then my husband built this column here from cedar. The stain is really pretty. Along with this, he added the wood here and put the clock on. It's really, really pretty. It's definitely a focal point in here. And then you move into the dining room and kitchen. This rug's from Home Goods. Again, painted. We changed all the lighting. We added that fan in here. We changed all the lights in here. They were just standard contractor grade lights. And this kitchen table dining room set is staying with the house. The buyers requested it. We don't mind because we were going to sell it anyways. It's too large for our new home. This is a 7.5 foot table. Again, too large for the new home, so we weren't going to take it anyways. We've had it for a very long time, about 10 years since right after we got married. The table is from a place in upstate New York, and then all the chairs we got at Raymour and Flanagan, I think. And then moving into the kitchen area, bar stools are already sold. We have our pantry right here, which you guys have seen before. I'll link any pantry videos I have down below. I did a full kitchen tour, so I won't go into too much detail. I'll link that video below where I go into really, really in depth every cabinet, every nook and cranny of this kitchen. I'll link that video below. But this kitchen has been my favorite thing in my home because I spend so much time cooking. I have a lot of memories in here, a lot of memories in this home. We've been in South Carolina almost 4 years, but we've lived in this home almost 3.5 years because we had to, we lived in an apartment while we were waiting for this house to get built. But I love this island. It's a 7.5 foot island. We changed the lights. I just love it. It's a really functional kitchen, really nice layout, plenty of counter space, really easy to cook in. I just loved it so much, and I will definitely miss it because I have a lot of great memories again with my family visiting and friends. Just a really great kitchen to entertain. Another floating shelf. Let me change angles here, which again will be staying with the home. And then back door here to the backyard. Alright guys, so this is the powder room that is right behind, this is always in the background, like this area when I'm filming videos at the table, but my husband did crown molding in here. The paint's like a really pretty like terracotta color, and it's just again like a simple powder room. We replaced the pedestal sink with this sink a couple years ago. Mirror, toilet, pretty standard, just some pictures on the wall. And that's all we really did in here because that's all it really needed. It's just a perfect little powder room for guests. Off in the back of the kitchen is just my office. We actually plan to put French doors right here. That's actually something we were going to do this spring, but since we are moving, obviously we're not going to do it. But I think the new homeowners, if they put French doors here, it would look really pretty. Again, just a simple office. It's actually a really good size room. I think it's like 12 by 11 or 12 by 12. It's a decent size office. Just a backyard right here, and very basic, just my cabinet. I have my bookshelf, my desk, pretty standard, and then this little like, I don't know, storage piece here, I guess you'd call it. But yeah, we never got around to the French doors, but I think they would look beautiful right here. Or even like a sliding barn door would look really pretty. But yes, that is the office, and we're gonna head upstairs now. Alright, so I am at the very top upstairs, the top of the stairs upstairs, and just wanted to give you guys a view. We put this light in, we add the blinds, Matt built that mirror, and these two pieces, I think one's from Pier 1 and one's from Kirkland's, and then it's the other side, and then when you come up the stairs, we go into the master bedroom. I love this room. Our furniture in here is all from Ashley Furniture, the bed, the two nightstands, the dresser, again all from Ashley Furniture, and I just love this room. It's a large master. I mean, to me it's the largest master that I've ever had in any room any place I've ever lived in. I think it's like 15 by 17, the measurements, just guessing based on what I think I know. We were actually planning to do crown molding on the whole upstairs, but that was another thing we were going to do this spring, but again, we're moving, so we're not going to do it. Got my trunk here, my floating shelf, which is also staying with the home. A little water cooler, cute little cat, and it's just really peaceful. We added the fan in here, And then off the master bedroom is just the bathroom, pretty simple. We actually were planning, if we had stayed here, to change this sink out to a double sink because we have the room between the toilet. So we were gonna change this out again, do a double sink with a granite top. We were actually thinking about doing a slate gray tile in here and then crown molding, but again, all these things aren't gonna happen because we're moving. So we just went with ceramic tile when we built just a single sink, normal toilet, standard tub, but we did upgrade the master closet. This is bigger than a standard closet. We actually stole a little bit of room out of the bathroom to have a bigger closet, and then my husband last year added this second rack to double the storage. We actually did a video on that, so I'll link all the videos down below, guys, of like my kitchen tour, my master bedroom tour, my closet project. I'll link all those videos related to anything home tour related. I'll link them all down below. But I love this closet. I'm certainly gonna miss it. Our new home does not have a walk-in closet. That's actually one of the biggest issues that we're gonna face in the new home, is having all of this stuff fit into a very, very tiny closet. So that is going to be interesting. But yeah, this is the master closet. I don't know the measurements, but this is a large closet. I'm pretty sure it's like 12 by 8 maybe, or 12 by 7. It's definitely an oversized master. I'm going to miss it very, very much. And actually, oddly enough, today after I'm done filming this, I'm going to start packing up everything in here. So that is the master. And then if we go back out of my room, there is the play nook here, which, well, you could really use this for anything, but we use this as a play nook. We painted the light blue and the tan in here, blue on this wall, and then pretty much just all of our son's toys, which we have to go through, all of his Lego sets, because a lot of these toys won't be coming with us because there are a lot of things here he does not play with. So we will be having a garage sale, you know, donating, just getting rid of a lot of things that we're not going to bring with us because he doesn't play with them. So yeah, I really like this little space. It's definitely been good to us, and Grady really has enjoyed it. And then we have the guest bedroom. This is where all of our friends and family sleep and stay when they come. This bed here, the actual, not the mattress, the actual bed, is actually the first piece of like real furniture, if you'd even call it that I ever purchased on my own when I was fresh out of college. It used to be a set. This used to be, it was a bed, 2 nightstands, and like a matching bench. I've had this for so long, guys. I got this when I was like 22, I think, right out of college. It was a really big deal to me back then, and I'm actually gonna still hold on to it because it's in perfect condition. I mean, it's not the prettiest or fanciest bed. It's just like an iron, sage greenish gray iron bed, but it's just something, I don't know, this is the only piece I have left. The nightstands are long gone, the bench is long gone, and it's just, I don't know, it's just a little nostalgic and sentimental to me because it's like literally the first pieces of furniture, first bedrooms that I ever bought when I was fresh out of college. And then this nightstand is from our old home in New York, our old bedroom. And then the matching dresser is right here. TV, very simple. We put a fan in here. Just some little pieces of decor, just simple guest bedroom. And then there is a closet behind me that's a decent size. And then turning back around into my son's room. Sorry about the lighting, the sun. Let me see if I can close the blinds because it's giving a glare. But again, guys, I did a whole video on this room recently. I'll link up below, so I'm not going to go into too much detail in here. But this is Grady's room, standing at the door. Curtains, bed, comforter from Pottery Barn Kids. The bed we just recently got at Value City Furniture. It's like a grayish distressed color. Again, just did a video on this room, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I love this room and gonna be very sad to start packing it up soon, but that's the way it goes when you're moving. We painted in here, did the fan, and it's just been a great room for my son. It's very spacious. I know the new family that's moving in has a little boy, so I'm assuming this will be his room. And then Grady's bathroom slash guest bathroom. We just did gray, and then the shower curtains from Powder River and Kids as well. Just very simple, toilet, sink, and then there is a linen closet in here. This was an upgrade in the home. We had to pay extra for, but I'm glad I did because it's got a lot of storage in here for a lot of different things, towels and linens and stuff like that. But that is the bathroom. Coming back out, last but not least, we have the laundry room, which you guys have seen before. Washer dryer. Matt put these cabinets up. We're actually going to let me take this down really quick. Actually going to put the doors back on these cabinets. Obviously everything in the cabinet we're taking with us, but we're going to put the doors back on for the new homeowners. They love the laundry room. The washer and dryer are staying with the home. They're just way too big and bulky to take with us. We have very limited space. We're renting 2 large pods to move everything out, and these are just not going to make the cut. So, and they are staying with the house anyways. So that's the laundry room. And coming back out, that is the house. We have a 2-car garage, which I'm not going to show you because it's just your normal garage and it's an absolute disaster. But I hope you guys enjoyed this house tour, and it's very bittersweet because I will miss it. You know, we had this house built, as you guys know, and there's a lot of sentimental, you know, blood, sweat, and tears that went into it. But it's time for the next chapter. I'm glad I recorded this house tour to be able to look back and show Grady, you know, years to come and see if he remembers and all that good stuff. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.